Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3-hour research actionable update.
Hello everyone, we are back today with two exciting 3-hour actionable stock updates. 3R basically means the right sector, the right quality and the right valuation. First stock update for the day is RBL Bank. RBL Bank came out with its quarterly numbers. Analyst maintains a buy on the stock with an unchanged price target of 240 rupees. RBL Bank's Q4 FY21 results were stable even though operational performance came below expectations due to tepid advance growth, but margins were stable on a sequential basis and asset quality improved. Strong growth in total deposits was seen, which grew by 26% year-on-year and 9% quarter-on-quarter. And the CASA ratio too improved to 31.8% on a year-on-year basis, indicating improving liability franchise. Asset quality performed better, with GNPA and NNPAs declining to 4.34% and 2.12%. While the management commentary was cautious on the back of increasing COVID cases, the analyst believes the bank is in an improved position vis-a-vis its balance sheet and valuations which remain reasonable. The second stock update is on Alicon Castalloy. Analyst maintains buy rating on the stock with a revised price target of 700 rupees, factoring long-term revenue visibility. Given its robust, strong order book and subsequent upgrade in earnings estimate, the company has reported very strong operational performance in Q4 FY21, beating expectations on all fronts. PAT improved by 121% quarter-on-quarter, driven by 20% revenue growth and a 290 bps EBITDA margin expansion, which stood at 15.1%. Analyst has increased earnings estimate conservatively by 72% and 39% for FY22 and 23 estimates. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast, and thank you for listening in as always. For more details, disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure documents issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and the terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3-hour research actionable update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.